Swing, swing.
I don't think I've ever come across a breed that is so correct in testicle structure as the Boran, and I think it's got something to do with the way selection takes place in Kenya. So ideally, you want testicles that hang symmetrically, that are well balanced, well suspended. Now, I differentiate between swing testicles and twisted testicles. So a swing is
the Boran cow, now found in Zambia, Tanzania, Uganda, Australia, and the US, all originated from genetic exports of Kenyan Boran, done between 1970s and 1990s. With the recent increase and demand for ranching activities across Kenya, Borana is the most preferred cattle breed due to its fertility, early maturation, hardiness, and docility. Ranching can be wonderful. However, it can have some disadvantages, such as adjusting to a rural lifestyle. Viewer, this is Rural State, where we strive to showcase rural content. Feel free to comment, like, and subscribe so that you are not left out every time we upload new rural content. Boran cattle have been subjected to prolonged natural selection in harsh environmental conditions for ages. Boran breed is best known for its low production cost and ability to produce excellent meat. Compared to other beef cattle breeds, the Boran's meat is considered to be very tender with fairly high market prices. A Boran bull will weigh up to 900 kgs, while a cow can weigh as much as 500 kilos. They are excellent feed converters. A female will be mature at 13 months. Boran Cattle Breeder Society Kenya was the first breed society in East Africa to create guidelines for improving indigenous cattle. It guards against losing Boran qualities. Through its panel of inspectors, it maintains Boran's standard of excellence.
Hustling, you keep struggling, bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling, I'll keep
what I would predict is within this group of females is when they walk through those 7 steps, the ones that are left after 4 or 5 years, which will be the vast majority of these, are going to be the ones that are playing in the middle of the field and are not on the extremes. So you're not going to have anything that's slightly taller and slightly flatter might not still be here. Anything that is maybe shorter bodied and not without the volume and length of your median probably won't be here. And so what I'm getting at is the easiest way, if I was told to come and select, let's say 60% of these heifers, the easiest way to do it and still be reasonably right would be to peel off the ones that don't look like the average ones. So the ones that are bigger or longer or wilder, the ones that have got more bone or less bone or more muscle or less body condition. So you end up with something right in the middle, and you avoid your extremes and your outliers and your fringes, and that's going to give you the most productive herd to kick off with. And that's where cattle evaluation becomes very, very useful.
Boran has its origin in southern Ethiopia among the Boran people. Sesefla infestation and Nagana prevalence in most parts of Kenya that can support ranching has renewed the demand for this breed among ranchers due to its resistance. Boran is resistant to eye infections, a common problem in ranches due to flies that transmit and the vegetation that at times pierce the eyes. Borans are good mothers with a minimal calving problem and are very protective of their young ones. And lastly, you will rarely see a lone Boran cow in a ranch. They tend to stick together due to the herd mentality, which makes work easier for the farmer.
Got nothing, I'll keep hustling. work is. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness,
Get straight to these cattle.
but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.